Do you have thin, fine hair, but want a crochet style and not sure which style you should go with? Well, I got you, ladies. Yes, today I am going to show you how to achieve a beautiful crochet braid style with thin hair, short hair, fine hair, bald spots. It doesn't matter. No one will ever know that you have any thin hair, any hair loss, any hair issues at all. As you can see, my client here does have some really thin hair. She does have some areas where she has some hair issues. But again, no worries, ladies. So I'm first going to start off, as always, with moisturizing my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, I've already moisturized and hydrated her hair with our G&G hair growth butter, which is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is infused with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, olive oil, black seed oil, just to name a few. Yes, we have our hair growth butter as well as our hair growth oil. And as you can see here, I am going to show you what to do to cover those bald spots so that they will be nice and full. As you can see, I braided these braids going down on the sides and not going back. The traditional crochet braid style, you would braid these braids going to the back, but as you can see, I covered that area where she had some hair issues or some hair loss, and you will not be able to know that she has any hair issues once this crochet braid style is installed. This is the hair that we're going to be using. They are some go-go curls. Yes, these are some 8-inch go-go curls in the color 1B gray. Yes, it is a 1B 51 gray ombre. We got these go-go curls from Amazon. So yes, go on the Amazon site and you will see these go-go curls in many different colors. As you can see here, I've already started doing the installation. I love working with these go-go curls because they are very easy to work with. They don't shed, they don't get tangled. You can split them, meaning you can take one crochet braid and split it in half. And I'm going to show you how to make sure that this style comes out nice and full. This is a technique that I use. As you can see, I just winded the crochet. That's to give me a nice tighter knot when I crochet. With this one side of the crochet braid, I take that and I crochet that also into the next part. If that doesn't make sense, just watch how I do the process. I put the regular crochet braid in, as you can see here, and I just crochet that in regularly. And then I take one end of the crochet that I just crocheted in and I crochet that through the braid. That gives a nice full look where you don't have to use as much hair. You're using the same crochet. As you can see here, I'm going to show you one more time. And then I'm going in with one side of that crochet and I'm crocheting that one side in. And look how full that looks. And that's just with one crochet. So that's a crochet hack that you can use with your clients to give a nice full look without using a lot of hair, because we don't want it to look too bushy and too wiggy. We want each style to look as natural as possible. So that's the hack that I use. And look how beautiful this is coming out. Again, this is only 8 inches long. They do have them in longer lengths, so that is not a problem. Go on Amazon and you will see a wide selection of go-go curls. And again, they're very easy to work with, very great for beginners. The style lasts for a very suitable amount of time, meaning at least 4 to 6 weeks. they're very easy to manage, very low maintenance. And again, super easy to work with, super easy to install. As you can see here, I'm just installing more around her edges to give her a nice full look. I also did use a crochet net or crochet cap with this style, and that is to give me the fullness, to give her the fullness that she wants. And I don't have to crochet on her natural hair. I want to give her natural hair a break and put as less tension and weight and pulling on her natural hair. So I'm crocheting the majority of these crochets on that net. So if you do have a client, or if you do yourself have any hair issues and you want to give your hair a break, please use a crochet cap or a crochet net so that you are only crocheting on the net and not the natural hair. So as you can see here, I am cutting off the edge or the elastic part of the net cap that I used. I don't need to keep that on there because the crochets is going to hold that net in place, and I don't want it to be uncomfortable or tight for my client, so I am cutting that off. So again, you can cut the elastic part around the perimeter, which is around the forehead and around the neck or the nape. So again, you're going to see how this beautiful style came out. Continue to keep watching.